Hello guys, good afternoon. And today we are going to discuss about HTML and HTML5 related question which are asked in the interview for front end developer or the React developer interview. And in the last interview, not last interview, in last video, we discuss about some question related to HTML4 or HTML and HTML5, which are the mostly asked for the interview. Then in some previous videos, we discuss about the React interview question, then JavaScript interview question. Then today we are going to again discuss about the HTML and HTML5 related interview question which are mostly asked for the front end developer or the React developer interview. So let's see. I will share my screen and I will tell you like which question mostly asked. So look, this six question I told you in the previous video, like how to explain the answer of that particular question and all that. So in this particular video, we are going to add some more question into this particular list. So we'll get more clarity on like how they will ask you the interview question and all that things. So first question they will ask you like explain difference between HTML tags and elements. So I already tell like they will ask you about the explanation about a element and tag, but sometimes they will just ask the difference between both of them. So this kind of question is also maybe asked in some interview question. Then the question is like how we need to prepare ourselves for that particular things, because sometimes we forget to prepare basic things, like we prepare at advanced level but we didn't go into that much deep, like we thought this is a basic question and we are experienced so people will not ask. But sometimes every interviewer has their own strategy to evaluate candidate on the performance basis, and some are mainly focus on the like basic things, like if the candidate's basic is clear, he has some experience, then they know like if someone's basic is very clear, in that case learning advanced things or working on that things is not that much tough, because if your basic is clear, in that case you are able to understand advanced things as well. But some people didn't know about the basic things and they have prepared good for the interview, then that time interviewer also get that like he just prepare for that interview question purpose, but you don't have that much deep understanding about the concept and all that thing. So these things also matter in the interview purpose. So you guys need to like take care of all these things, like how the interview exactly gone and how these things will effects on your selection. All these things also matter. It's not about the like just reading some random question or just like taking a list of some questions, repeated question and preparing that question. No, it's all about like how you prepare yourself, how you represent into that particular interview. That things also matter for the selection. So just prepare accordingly, like what is the like main concept, what things are mostly important, or on what basis interviewer like judge you or calculate your performance and all that things. These all things are mandatory. These things you guys need to like take care of all that things and all that things, like these things is also important. So let's see. So in HTML5, some additional features has also came. So with that, we got one tag or HTML tag. We say that video tag. So people mostly, if you have 2+ year experience, then that case they will definitely ask you this question like, explain about video tag in HTML5. So basically, from name itself, like a video, you guys also know that video tag is used for the media playback purpose, like playing a video in your UI page, your HTML page or the UI page, right? We say UI generally. So you guys need to explain that, like how you are definite like mapping your that video link or that things to the source path of that particular video where you save that or store that. All that things matter. So you need to explain in that way for this particular question. So they will ask you about explain about video tag in HTML5. So these things also matter, like how you answer that particular things. Then next question is like difference between, sorry, difference between HTML4 and HTML5. So they will ask you like state difference between HTML4 and HTML5. So HTML4 has its own advantage, disadvantage. HTML5 also has some its, not we say that disadvantage, but HTML4 has its own advantages, own features. HTML5 has also some additional feature as compared to HTML4. So you guys need to explain that things as well. Like yeah, in the HTML4 these things are additional as compared to HTML3. In HTML5 they added some new features like this or that feature, so you guys need to specifically mention about which features or which things they particularly added in the HTML5. All that things also matter. Then in some cases they will ask you about the like explanation about HTML structure. So maybe I didn't mention that question, but in some time, like some interviewer ask you like explain HTML structure. Like in the topmost, there is a doc type is there, then HTML tag inside HTML, all the like below things meta tag and all that things are inserted. So explain that structure. So you guys also need to prepare that little bit about that. uh, like they ask you these things. Then in some cases you will get a scenario based question. So in basically scenario based question, what happen, people are gives us like interviewer gives you one scenario like, yeah, I want to do this thing. So how you will approach to do that things, and according to your answer they will judge like, yeah, the candidate is right or not for their particular openings, because they know their openings, for what purpose they are hiring the people or hiring that particular person they want to hire, because they have their clear requirement, and on that basis they definitely, if you are facing a second technical interview, second round of your technical discussion, in that case at least you will get minimum 1 to 2 question which is based on the like scenario base, where you need to do some stuffs randomly, or they will maybe ask you like do that, share your screen and do that things, or sometimes they just ask you don't do any coding but just explain me the like way of doing that things, particularly how you do that. So they are basically asking you to like do on your own basis and explain that things. So these things also matter. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and in next video I will give you solution of this 7 8 question. uh, oh, thank you guys. Thank you.